Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and today's What's New is this beautiful paper line. It is Memory Place, Hawaii Paper Goods, Hello. And this is a 12 by 12. There are 12 double-sided sheets in this pack and we get 2 of each design. And I wanted to share this with you. This is something new that I got into my store. I have never had this brand in before, and I thought, let's see how this is. So let's take a look at this. So it's just the cover sheet. There's nothing special. The cover sheet is not made from the same good quality as this, but that's okay. It's just a cover sheet. So we get into this, and this is super cute. This actually has a lot of things that I like in it. And again, the paper is a nice, good quality, especially for mini albums. But down here, when I was looking at this, I looked at it twice. I've got chocolate down here. I've got a mocha or some sort of coffee drink. I've got a cute little hedgehog, and I've got a laptop. But I also have my spring theme here, and I've got birds and all sorts of stuff. And I love this color palette. It is really pretty, all these colors that they brought into this. They did a good job. So on the back, it is this. Isn't that pretty? And I wanted to show you side by side how this kind of works in together. So all these pieces will work together with the next piece. So the color palette, and I like that because then it all flows together. But there's our first one. This is our duplicate. And then we have this gorgeous sheet. And I like the wood grains. When they throw in wood grains into paper packs, I really like it. I think it looks really good. But as you can see from our previous page, things kind of tie in together. And on the back, it is the wood or the log. And again, these just tie in beautifully together. Here's our second sheet. Isn't that pretty? And then we have this, and this blue, these blues I should say, are striking. And we got the stripes. And on the back it is this. So we got some nice background sheets. Look at all this working together. Just awesome. I hope I'm not going too fast here. Then the next sheet is this. And again, I'm going to bring over our previous page. Look at that. It just works right together. We got the wood grain, the white slats. And then on the back, it is this. And we've got our, it looks like 6 by 6 panels. All works in. Okay. And then we have another panel or cut apart sheet, whatever you'd like to call it. And on the other side, it's this. So it all works in. And then we have the, and I'm going to show it. One side is this, one side's that. And this is the little cut aparts, little panels. If you're a card maker, this would be a good one too, because you can use the background on your card base and then just cut out one of these and put it on there, and your card is done. Looks really good. I like it. So I'm going to show you the back side. Isn't that pretty? I don't know if you can see it, but in the background they have this flower or rose back here that's kind of like a gold color in there. It's really pretty, or brown actually, that matches in with over here. So that is what's new at J&S Hobbies and Crafts. Right now I'm working on a tutorial, Heartfelt Creations Climbing Clematis, so I won't be able to get started on anything like this. But I just wanted to show you what we got in, what's new. It's new to my store at least. And I thought it was really pretty, so that is an option for you people that are looking for something new in your stash of paper goods. I know I got 2 of these, so I'll probably work with this too. As soon as I get done doing my projects I have lined up. I'll eventually get to this one, if I can anyway. So happy crafting, and I'll see you soon on my next tutorial.